Kidde Hardwire Replacement Smoke Alarm. Replaces most 120-volt hardwired smoke alarms. Adapters included for quick and easy connection with existing FireX and First Alert BRK Electronics hardwired smoke alarms. That shows two of them. This one's the one I'm going to be using. Kidde model KAF. Wiring adapter for use with FireX wiring harnesses. I'm replacing an old FireX model. Let's see. Model, can't really tell which one this is. I think it's a FADC or something like that. But anyway, they've tested it to make sure it's compatible with this using the adapter. Thing is, I'll have to replace the trim ring, which is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I gotta get up on this stool and unscrew that old trim ring right there. It's kind of tricky because one of the screws is a flathead and the other screw is a Phillips. Hope I just loosened them enough and then I should be able to just wiggle it out. Nope. Gotta loosen this one a little tiny bit more. Oh yeah, I'm working hot. You may want to be careful because there's 120 volts going through those wires at all times. I don't see any loose wires, so that's good. Now we'll put the Kidde trim ring on. I could get it just right. Alright, now for the adapter, I'm going to go and put this battery in first. I like to use these ultralight lithium batteries in place of the regular 9-volt battery that comes normally with smoke alarms. Let's vacuum, get this Kidde to FireX adapter, and it snaps right in here. Let's see if I have it in right. Guess I need to remove the plastic from it first. Alright. Oh. You're supposed to squeeze these. There, and then now it's ready to connect to my FireX system. Right. Push those wires in there. I believe you just press it and turn. And there we go. Now for the test. It's loud. Alright, that's my dad yelling at me. Alright, so it works.